Hello and welcome to my channel. Another whatever tutorial or whatever. Let's see. I got some rates and I got some wires, thin wires that I took from a thick old cable. So I'm reusing things because why throw when you have a lot of things? If that goes off, I'll just take the ordinary Wi-Fi cable that I have a lot of. So I got a bundle of red, orange, brownish things, and I got, or it's red, orange, and this is the grey ones. So yeah, as it wasn't any black in that, oops, I got soldering iron, and what's necessary is either this for just take a cable, just put it between the teeth and whams, Bob's your uncle, so I can solder it. And there is going to be one grey and one red on each. So let's do that. But there's a problem. You don't have to have the expensive one like this. You can use this one. It cuts down there and peels off here. So yeah, works is good. I just happen to have several of them. And yeah, this is oh, it's too high up. Maybe not. Yeah. It's a magnifying. So if we take, for example, this, so it gets a little bit easier for me, as I'm not that, let's see, well sighted, is it called that? I don't have that good eyesight, so let's do that and that. Let's see if that works. Get up, I guess, and then I can see, I don't know if you see it, if I take you and move you a bit kind of there, I guess you can see there's a joiner or a rail. Someone's having fun. So I have to decide where to put these things, up or down. I mean, what should I put on where? I'm just going to try to first of all see if this bloody rail will cope with the I don't know where to solder it to. I mean, it's a bit finicky in that thing. I don't know if the plastic will melt. I have some flux thingamabob, and that's a child safe thing, and I will see where is, there it is, and just do that. I'll see if that works. Then we take some soldering, or lead. take this, and now we know, I think, where it is. Did it get soldered on? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. If we will get some soldering on this one, I don't know. Trying to get that to stick on. How are we gonna do this now? I have no clue. I have no bloody clue how to do this, as the plastic does melt. Clearly. Take some flux on that. 2. And retry it. And yeah, it's not healthy at all. No, it has to be on the outside, right? Let's try that. That works. It's not beautiful, but it works. The hard thing now is that we have to drill it. We have to drill a hole. Okay, so I mean, I can do this, and I will see what I'm doing. Wow. You really see that's a sleeper. That's a rails. It's really nice design-wise, but the it's not good at all to be what should I call it? I mean, it's not quality in lengthwise. Yeah, to be good in every weather. Nah. And there we got one almost. I think they're good. Maybe a bit of... Did it get a bit of... Yeah, it did. Then I need a... So, I mean, that's done. That's 2 droppers. Now the problem is, I mean, it's not always... yeah, if you build an oval, yeah, that's good. But I mean, it's always the outer rail that is red, maybe. I guess in this case. So, oh, that didn't stick, did it? Did that stick? That should be it. Yeah. And then I guess I just twist it like that. And that's done. So, what do you need for to do this? Yeah, first of all the bloody rails, I guess. You need maybe scissors to cut the wires with. You can always use a helping hand. that I took the magnifying glass off. Though I have this one. That's pretty good also. It's for a soldering station and it has... Oh. Did not have light on. No. It should have light on though. Right now it doesn't. So I think I know where that problem is. But anyway, never mind. It's a... not that cable. I do have a lot of cables and things. Yeah, this one, I guess it is. This one. So if I use my power bank that I'm already... No, I take this one. Power bank. I mean, as I'm not that young anymore. Where are you? There. Oh. Now. Does not do anything. There. So you got the helping hand direct and a magnifying glass. That's perfect. I mean, it does help. And you can slide this one if you want. So it's made for the welding station, but yeah, that I don't think that could be loaded, can it? I think it has to have the light contact all the time. So that's how I do it anyway. Waste not. So I think they are perfect as dropper wires, these small things. Let's take some straights. And yeah, they are broken and things. I do hate the rails. Let's put one there in the middle, kind of ish. And let's take some wire to strip. Oh, that didn't do anything. What's wrong with you, man? Let's try the other one. There. Shouldn't need to do that several times. Well. Some flux. I usually do not use liquid flux. I have this shit, but sadly this is empty. So what do you do? And this doesn't matter if it's what side it is on, as it's... I'll try to clean it so you have a nice tip. And don't breathe in the fumes, please. That's one. I mean, if I knew that it would be this hassle with the dropper wires and things, I don't know if I would go to ECC, but now I have to. There it goes. Good. These things, I guess they're very, very old, as they are from a cable like this. Old printer cable thingamabob. So now I have showed you one straight and one straight and one crooked, right? Oh, no tin or that's it. I mean, the eyesight ain't the best. And that's it. And it does not damage the plastic too much if I do it this way. It's kind of solid, so yeah. Just do. Does not want to play ball today. There. So that's two done. So what's now? Rinse and repeat. I just wanted to show how I do it. I have about 30 or 28. No, 28 more raids to do, or whatever I have here. For the bus wire, I will use just a normal Swedish 240 electric wire, as we have 240 in this country. And that will be it. So yeah, this welding station is 43 years old. I mean, I started with all this hobby when I was 15, and I'm 58 today. So yeah, you make the math. And it has served me well. So yeah, I have others too, but I think this one serves me well. I mean, I have had to do some repairs on it. It's not perfect, but I mean, it's never blown a fuse. It's working, and it goes up to, I have it on 400 degrees now. I can get it up to 450 Celsius. It has this earth thingamabob if I want to use that, but I don't need to. It's not that sensitive electricity thingamabob. And I mean, you got these. They are just plastic things that are supposed to dampen the sound. I mean, why does everybody want to dampen the sound? I mean, those are just ridiculous because they always fall off. They don't do a shit. But I will continue and maybe do a little one when I'm done. Yeah, take care. Bye for now.